Yo, what's up guys, your boy Jeff, and on today's video it's gonna be a long vlog. I think we're at vlog number 9. I can't remember what vlog we're in, but we're in vlog something. Today I'm gonna clean my truck and then we're gonna head out to Missouri because I'm gonna go pick up a center console that I found on Facebook. Found it really cheap. I'll show you guys. Same color of my interior, so it's gonna look clean. I've been trying to find one for the longest time. Like, I found them before, but they're expensive. And so, yeah. So I'm gonna clean the truck because I got dirty last night. Let me show you guys. Alright, it looks like I went off-roading actually. Like this. I mean, it's not that bad, guys, but you know. Oh, and actually, I threw up on my window too. Don't ask me why or how, but yeah. So I gotta. My girl kind of wiped it off, but still smells and still, you know what I mean. I don't want to get into details, but yeah, guys. We're gonna clean it up real quick, and then we'll get rolling to Missouri later. Let's get it. Let's see. Pero ya vamos. Let's go pick up that. Let's go pick up that center console. It's an hour drive. Let's get it. Fierro. But yeah, we're on our way to go pick up the center console. It's an hour drive hasta Missouri. Yeah, I'm gonna get it off of Avalanche. It's 10, and the guy's hooking it up for real cheap, guys. I'm only paying 80 bucks. And now we're like, at least in my area, everywhere you go or you see on Facebook and shit, they always want like 170, 180, 200 bucks. Even on eBay, they go for like 400 bucks. So I'm like, fuck. When I told that guy, he said 80 bucks. I was like, god damn. So I'm gonna go get it right now, and I'm gonna install it today as well because I don't like the middle seat, guys. I don't like it. So let's go get that thing and let's go. Got home, my phone died, couldn't record anymore. Fuck me, but let me show you guys the important thing. Here's the center console that I got. Guys, it's really in mint condition, but it has got no scratches. It's in good condition. Let me show you guys the inside. Like, look, it got brand new. The top thing it fell off, but I'm gonna try to glue it on there somehow because it's falling off too much. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try to install it real quick. So I'm not even gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna try to get in there as soon as possible. So yeah, guys, let's go. A couple hours later, because I've done so many things. And yes, my truck's dirty again because where I bought the console, it was like dirt roads and shit, so I got fucked up. So anyways, I just got done installing, guys. Hold on, let me tell you guys, it's not a direct fit. You gotta cut things to make it work. Basically, behind that black thing, you gotta cut everything behind because it's gonna hit the thingy. And if you can see, like, there's still a gap because, let me see, because on this side this shit hit, so I just like, fuck it, I don't want to cut it no more. So I left it like this. It doesn't look that bad. Well, I'm gonna fix this. I'm still fixing this, guys. I was trying to fix it to make it work, but I didn't, so I'm just gonna put it back in there. So yeah, it matches everything, OEM. And I just gotta give it a quick clean, but yeah, guys. Oh, and also, guys, when you're installing these, They have 2 holes in the back and then some hooks, but the hooks don't match to the front, so basically you can only hook it up from the back bolts onto the seats. And yeah, like that's it, guys. I had to cut a lot of pieces, like I told you guys. Fairly simple, nothing major, you know, but I really think it looks way better like this, guys. Let me show you guys. Way better. What do you guys think? Did I do good swapping it out, or should I put the seat back on? Comment down below. But yeah, guys, that's what it is. And if you guys have any questions about how to do anything about this, let me know. I can help you maybe. So yeah, follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you want. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.